Well, hello from Louang, Prabang in the country Laos, and I'm on the banks of the Mekong River doing my 10,000 steps today. And what an absolutely beautiful walk I'm having. And you have loads of little coffee shops all along the banks of the river and all nicely shaded, because at the moment today it's around 28 degrees and the humidity is very high. Now when you have a few thousand steps done, you can stop by in some beautiful places with incredible views for a little rest and for a little bit of coffee and enjoy absolutely magnificent scenery. And if you want to go down to a lower level, there's another beautiful coffee shop down here with close-up views of the river and the boats. And there's no shortage of little shops to give you some crisps or to pick up a drink on your way, and you can admire the knitting that the girls are up to here. And some of the architecture here is absolutely beautiful, and you can see that this is a city, or it's really only a town, but it's on the up and up, and the buildings are all being done up and got ready as hotels and restaurants along the magnificent Mekong River. So this is the nicest 10,000 steps you'll ever do. And you may be quite tempted to turn this into a snack festival. There's so many beautiful dishes available to eat at absolutely magnificent locations. Well, it's time for me to end my video, and I'm going in now for a nice cup of coffee.